So I'd just like to briefly introduce one of our technology products, which is called NOLA Water. So what we're setting out to do essentially is to commodify water data. And what I mean when I say that is to build tools for people to interact with the information that they need generated from water data that's available. Our suite of technologies provides fully database-driven analytics and integrates historical information along with data from real-time sensors to provide decision makers and industrial users with the data that they need to make operational decisions. We have substantial hydrologic expertise, which we're also translating from model outputs and research projects into operational tools as well. This example here is in the heartland of the oil and gas industry in Western Alberta. And what it shows is the results of a hydrologic modeling exercise, estimating surface water runoff. We'll take that information and then extend it into a decision support tool, which essentially lets users choose their specific location of interest and then understand the hydrology in the watershed context associated with that location, both in terms of supply, in terms of the environmental needs associated with fish habitat and other needs, and then also understand the cumulative impacts of existing water users in the watershed. And the benefit here is really in increasing transparency in the water decision-making process for regulators, and also letting companies who are water users have a much easier way to understand potential for a given water body to meet their sourcing needs. And an example of the type of output that we provide, this is a multi-page report that gets generated associated with the watershed on demand. We've done this work over 1 million square kilometers of Western Canada. That's about 40% of the Western Australia for scale, I guess. And essentially the report that a user can get in a matter of minutes is equivalent to what would take a consulting firm essentially between 2 days and 2 weeks to generate. So at a minimum, each time this report's generated, the user is saving upwards of $2,500. And that's my contact information there, and I'll be around this afternoon if anyone would like to see the technology in operation. Thank you.